Thank you, sir.
Anyiti itemi ruhonge-ini rwa ugitiri manyitanire hamwe igongona-ini ria kuruguria mubango wa miaka 3 wa kugacirithia utungata wabici-ini ya urugamiriri wa thitango cia muingi niyo ODPP.
The charter sets out and focuses on the organization that we want to be. A prosecution service that is responsive to the needs of Mwananchi. A worthy cause indeed. It is our main objective to inject accountability, transparency, legitimacy, public confidence, and quality control in all our operations.
Akiaria igongona-ini riri, Minister wa ugitiri wa thiini Dr. Fred Matiang'i ni ahinyiriirie bata wa honge ciothe iria ihutanitie na ugitiri kurutithania wira hamwe ni undu wa wagiriru wa bururi.
We are public servants. It is our responsibility. The buck stops here. I will not shirk. I will not hide from my responsibility. I will not blame the Law Society of Kenya or blame anyone for asking me questions. I am paid to answer questions. Let's work together on this issue of crime in the country.
Niongereire ati thirikari ona ingikira kio kihana atia hari kuhukia wikinae maciaro ma kio giki matingikinyanira hatari na unyitaniri wa muingi.
We have invested heavily in tracking down crime, some of it very sophisticated. But we want to ask members of the public also to collaborate with us. All these people who are running wash activities in Thika, all these characters we are picking from estates engaged in money laundering and so on, all these characters we finally trace who are trying to abduct the kids, live in our midst.
Athiete na mbere kuga uhaguku wa ugitiri bururi-ini ukoretwo ugiakiririo ni maundu ta matharaita gukorwo moko-ini ma muingi mugaru na watho.
In 2 years alone, we have collected close to about 14,000 guns, over 400,000 bullets from wrong hands.
Ni agathiriirie wira mwega uria urutitwo ni mutongoria wa thitango cia muingi Nurdin Haji na wabici yake yakiuga ihinda-ini riria akoretwo wabici-ini no niahotete kumiheithia gitio na njira nene. Ngiribotera Inooro TV ritwa riakwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.